ChatGPT is losing millions of users, and this is why. Gemini 3 Pro is the real deal. And I'm about to show you 9 pro level tricks that will help you absolutely dominate it. Get ready to reclaim hours, build apps, and create content like you've never done before. So the first trick is to think bigger and unleash massive prompts. I'll show you how Gemini 3 Pro fundamentally changes what you can ask an AI to do, letting you tackle problems previously impossible. So head over to gemini.google.com. I'm obviously signed up for the Pro plan, and you're going to be taken to this screen. The most important thing before you start is to make sure that you have the right language model selected. So if you go down here, you're gonna have a few options. Fast is obviously just fast answers. It's not necessarily deeper thinking. Then you got thinking, which is solving more complex problems. And then you got pro, which is the best of everything. It can do deeper reasoning. It can tackle complex problems. It can even code for you. So the prompt I'm gonna use for this is, you are a senior growth strategist and life cycle marketing architect, specializing in B2B sales. So I've given it a context and then an objective, which is I want a 90-day growth plan to generate 200 qualified leads for a fictitious company. I've given a definition of what a qualified lead means to me. I've given it a product context. So what does Flow Forge AI do? I've given it a core value proposition, a target audience, primary pain points, desired outcomes, positioning, proof points, pricing. So this could be for your own company, or if you have an agency, this can be all your clients' details and metrics. And I've also even asked it for an email marketing strategy, some list building inputs, what I want to see in a lead magnet, and the number of subscribers for that 90-day test, what I want for the email segmentation, the email sequences, the output requirements. Remember, this is just outlining what I want, right? Like I haven't actually gone into the prompting and written out the emails. I'm gonna let Gemini do all of this for me. I've given it some constraints, which is always a good idea when you're working with language models. You definitely want to give it some guardrails. And then I've given it final instruction. So let's hit submit and see what Gemini Pro comes back with. It's now examining the growth strategy, it's developing the email funnel, and it's constructing the 90-day plan. And it's even analyzing potential roadblocks. Even though I didn't ask it to do this, Gemini 3 Pro is intelligent enough to build it into the reasoning model. And in less than 30 seconds, I've actually got the 90-day growth strategy for Flow Forge AI. It's got the overview, the phase 1, the phase 2, phase 3. I've got the email first funnel breakdown, a detailed email sequence map, a nice little table here that I can export to Google Sheets, a sequence for education and proof, for conversion sequences. And it's even telling me where the bottlenecks might exist. So if 33K traffic is unfeasible via organic or paid, we must increase the lead magnet opt-in rate to 10%. So it even knows which levers to pull to deliver the outcomes of our 90-day plan. And for the next step, Google Gemini can turn this into a service ops playbook, a landing page, and even write the 3 email sequence starting with the welcome email. And if you've seen any of my previous videos on Gemini 3 Pro, you know that you can turn this data using the canvas into slideshows, reports, dashboards, whatever you want. Trick number 3 is ditch perfect prompts. So you can stop worrying about prompt engineering and let Gemini 3 Pro reason its way through your entire real world problems. So for this example, the prompt I'm going to put in here is, I run a coaching solo business and currently spend 15 hours per week on administrative work, primarily email management, scheduling calls, invoicing, and payment follow-ups. I've given it a tech stack of what I use, and I wanted to request Gemini 3 Pro to analyze my current setup and design a practical automation architecture that can realistically reclaim at least 10 hours per week. And I've given it some specifics, some constraints, and what I want the outcome to be. Let's hit run. It's now thinking about it, and within a few seconds, it's given me an automation roadmap for coaching businesses. So step 1 is high leverage opportunities. Step 2 is system architecture. 3 is implementation roadmap, and it's broken that down into phases, why this delivers outsized ROI, and it's given me immediate steps of what I can do to deliver the 10-hour savings. And honestly, I gave it the most basic prompt, something that took me about a minute to write. And previously, prompting with detail was a big problem, and you had to spend a lot of time inside prompting, because historically, if you put garbage in, you're always going to get garbage out. But with Gemini 3, I don't need to be perfect with the prompting. I can just go ahead and do it. Trick number 5 is sketch to code. And you can transform hand-drawn sketches into functional code by simply taking a picture and asking Gemini 3 Pro to build it. So head over to AI Studio, click on build, and it'll take you here. All you need to do is attach any drawing, take a picture of it, and simply prompt it with build this landing page or build whatever. So I've gone ahead and done this, and all I did was I uploaded a landing page concept that I sketched out on a napkin. It literally took me like a couple of minutes, and the prompt was build this landing page. That's it. You can see that Gemini took 24 seconds to think about it, and it built all the HTML files, the JSON, the backend dependencies, libraries, everything. I haven't touched a single line of code, and it did all this from the image that I uploaded. And And this is what it looks like. And honestly, for a first pass, this isn't bad. Like I can make it a lot better. I can add gradients. I can change the name. I can change the logo. But honestly, this is pretty good. I can work with this. And it even gave it a name of auto spec, which I never asked it to do because the prompt is build this landing page. Trick number 6 is using Nano Banana Pro for visual domination. So inside Gemini 3 Pro, you can generate stunning images with perfect text, unlocking a new level of creative control for your visuals. And here's the prompt that I'm going to use. So I want to create a cinematic hero image for a modern AI automation consultancy website. Now, this is the secret sauce, so pay attention. This is how you get the best images using Nano Banana Pro. You want to set context. So for this, I've called it subject. And this is a solo founder working on a laptop in a minimalist home office. The next thing you want to do is add composition. So obviously give it an aspect ratio, the shot angle, the positioning, lighting, backdrops, everything. Be specific. The action, what you want the scene to look like, the location, natural lighting is always important. Where do you want the lighting to come from? The style, the color palette, the camera feel, and always give it some constraints. Because I found that when you give it constraints, you get better outputs. And then the overall mood is just what I want the output to look like. Hit submit, and let's see what Nano Banana Pro can come back with. And a quick FYI, if you're using a free plan of Google Gemini Pro, you're only going to get Nano Banana. If you want Pro, you have to pay for it. So it's now developing the visuals, and this took less than 20 seconds. And yeah, that's pretty good. This is something that I can work with. I can use it on websites. I can use it as stock images for my videos or for my client projects. I can do anything I want with this. And if I'm not happy with this particular output, I can just prompt it and change whatever I need to change. I can add more visual elements. I can change the lighting. I can change the location. I can do anything I want. And after testing several image gen language models, I can firmly say that Nano Banana Pro is the best. Trick number 7 is you can repurpose old YouTube videos. So head back over to Google Gemini, and it's really powerful. It can help you summarize lengthy videos. It can generate ready-to-use short-form content ideas. It can timestamp your videos, all done with AI. So for this example, I use the following prompt. Create an infographic, explain the main concepts in this video. And then I just pasted the video's URL. Now, the great thing about Google Gemini is that they also own YouTube, which means that they can quote unquote watch YouTube videos. And with Nano Banana Pro, it can generate any visual output that you want. And here's the infographic. Honestly, it's really damn good. The video that I put into this prompt was the quantum double slit experiment. And it's generated the text, which is on point. It's generated the images and explaining wave particle duality. And honestly, this is as good as any infographic service you're going to be using. Trick number 8 is creative automation. And you can use it to generate any type of asset that you want. Google Gemini Pro can build complex creative projects, combining multiple AI capabilities to design channel banners to match your brand's existing aesthetic. Let me show you how. So I'm going to ask Google Gemini to go to my channel, understand what the channel is about, understand my aesthetics, looking at previous thumbnails, and then generate a YouTube banner for me that I can use on the channel. I want you to review my YouTube channel. Look at the overall aesthetic and generate a YouTube channel banner. Make sure it's congruent with my messaging and my audience. Here is the YouTube URL. Paste in the channel URL. Make sure you select create images because we're going to use Nano Banana Pro for this, and then hit submit. It's loading Nano Banana Pro. It's going to review the channel and then generate the channel banner. It's now obviously examining the channel, and honestly, that's not bad. This took less than like a minute. I'm obviously the automation kings, master your business, automate everything. Yeah, that's not bad. I don't mind the color scheme. I quite like all of this in terms of the images that is used here. And yeah, I could work with this. In fact, I'm going to upload this onto my channel once this video is complete. So you're going to see the old one replaced with a new one. Trick number 9 is taking video transcripts and turning them into YouTube chapters. So head back over to Gemini, copy and paste the YouTube transcript. And for this example, you're going to need the actual timestamps. Now I've copied in a video that I recorded last week about Notebook LM and pasted it with the following prompt. Create YouTube chapters with the following video. Use capital and title case only. Paste in the transcript, and within 30 seconds, you get this output. So this is what I copy and paste into the YouTube description of the video that you're looking at. And believe me, when I create the number of videos that I create, this saves me hours and it's an absolute game changer. So there you have it. 9 game-changing hacks that you can use inside of Google Gemini Pro today. I love Gemini Pro so much, they've actually canceled my ChatGPT Pro subscription because Google gives me so much more for the same $20 a month. Head over to Google Gemini, try it out for yourself, and leave me your comments below. You know, what worked, what didn't work, what do you need help with? And I'll see you in the next video.